Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we will discuss 10 best sleeping earmuffs with buying guides and reviews. Selecting the best sleeping earmuffs is essential to a good night's sleep in any setting. This guide explores 10 premium alternatives well known for their exceptional comfort and sound blocking capabilities. Each earmuff has unique characteristics designed to accommodate a range of sleeping preferences to everyone make have a restful night's sleep. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. Fluent Foam Earplugs 10 pair with case for sleeping, snoring, loud noise, traveling, concert, construction and studying. Feature hearing protection for sleeping, loud noise, concert, construction, heavy machinery, music and other loud environment. Also great for creating silence. Convenient 10 pairs plus case, easy to take anywhere, comfortable fit, smooth, comfortable, extra soft and extra light foam that tapers to your ear canal for a custom fit. 33 decibel NRR noise reduction rate. Number 2. Max Ultra Soft Foam Earplugs 50 pairs, 33 decibel highest NRR, comfortable earplugs for sleeping. Features 33 decibel is the highest NRR for excellent noise reduction, useful in a variety of contexts. 50 pair in a generous supply for extended use, fits comfortably for prolonged use, expertly crafted in the United States of America, design that is convenient for traveling. Number 3. Max Dream Girl Soft Foam Earplugs 50 pairs being 30 decibel NRR, 33 decibel SNR, small ear plug for sleeping. Features specially made with narrow ear canals in mind, 50 pairs in ample quantity for extended use. The lovely shade of pink adds their best possible noise suppression for restful sleep and focused attention. Useful in a variety of contexts, fits comfortably for prolonged use, design that is convenient for traveling. Number 4. Fluent earplug for sleeping, snoring, loud noise, traveling, concert, construction and studying. Feature hearing protection for sleeping, loud noise, concert, construction, heavy machinery, music and other loud environment. Also great for creating silence. Convenient jar holds 70 piece, easy to take anywhere, comfortable fit, smooth, comfortable, extra soft and extra light foam that tapers to your ear canal for a comfortable fit. Number 5. Fluent Fluent's Foam Earplugs 50 pairs for sleeping, snoring, loud noise, traveling. Features hearing protection for sleeping, loud noise, concert, construction, heavy machinery, music and other loud environment. Also great for creating silence. Convenience jar hold 50 pairs, easy to take anywhere, comfortable fit, smooth, comfortable, extra soft and extra light foam that taper to your ear canal for a custom fit. 29 decibel NRR noise reduction rate made without natural latex. Number 6. Infant ear protection noise cancelling baby earmuffs toddler hearing protection with adjustable elastic headband. Features for babies: it is a gentle and efficient way to reduce noise. An elastic headband that may be adjustable for a snug and comfortable fit. Long wearing cozy white muffs that are soft and comfy, enhance relaxation and sleep quality. It helps babies feel less stressed. Lightweight and portable design for travel. Number 7. Jujo silicone earplugs for sleeping noise cancelling. Reusable earplugs for sleep. Features your partner snore. Our comfortable sleep earplugs will improve your sleep quality by blocking sound and staying in your ear overnight. Jujo's earplugs noise cancelling will fit to the unique contours of your ear, small or big. The right concert earplug for noisy environment. You can use Jujo earplugs noisy cancelling for sleeping, concert airplanes, traveling, studying, and as swimming earplugs. Number 8. GVC Ultimate Sleeping Earplug 38 decibel noise reduction water resistance carrying case. Features JVC earplugs and provide NRSA 35 dB. Noise reduction keeps you in the comfortable sound range. Air cushions structure deliver comfortable fit while sleeping for long hours. Use earphone look as if you are wearing a wireless earphone. Carrying pouch for your travel included several earpiece size. SM for memory foam earpiece and small, medium, large for silicone earpieces. Number 9. Ethymotic High Fidelity Earplugs ER20XS Standard Fit Polybag Package 1 pair. Features preservation of high fidelity sound, compatible with a wide variety of ear shape and size thanks to the standard fit design, expert craftsmanship for dependable defense and crystal clear audio, simple packaging that make it simple to transport and store, adaptable use in a range of settings and activities, long lasting hearing protection that is reusable. Number 10. 3M disposable earplugs for quiet studying and sleep, 80 pairs, 160 plugs. Feature great for sleeping, studying, working, flying, relaxation. Pliable design slowly expand conforming to your ear canal to help block and hazardous noise. Resealable bag for easy transport, soft, smooth design, enhance comfort for longer wear, easy to insert and remove, expand slowly to fit a wide range of ear canal size, disposable design. Now we are share some customer feedback and reviews. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose the good one according to your needs and requirement. Thanks for watching. Join us on our officially website www.bestpurchasepro.com/sleeping earmuffs/ Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. www.bestpurchasepro.com/sleeping earmuffs/. Thanks for watching.